Hello viewers, welcome to watchcenter.pk official YouTube channel. Viewers, in this video we are going to review Casio ladies digital wristwatch in golden stainless steel chain and square digital dial. It's a classy Casio watch in golden for ladies. This is the close-up of the dial and the golden chain. And this is the back side of the dial, stainless steel back, so it's come with a water resistance. And the model number of this watch is LA680WGA-1D. It's an original Casio watch. And there are two buttons on the left and one on the right. The one on the right is the light button. So the light is yellow and as you can see, very powerful light. And this button is the mode button. With the mode button, you can basically toggle between different functions available in this watch. So the watch comes with the alarm, stopwatch, and the digital time. And as you can see, when you will press it one time, two time, three time, so you can also adjust the time. So right now it's 14:58. So let's say we want to change the time to 6 p.m. So it's 14. So we will press this button. 15, 16, 17, 18. So it's 6 o'clock. So 18:00. It's 6 o'clock. And also you can change the date, day, and the month. So this is the month, 9, and also 13, so it's a date. 6, and Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So these are the settings, very straightforward. And also the stopwatch. With this button it will start. With this button it will stop. Start, stop, start, stop. And alarm function. So with this button you can adjust the alarm also. Let's say we want to change to 5:30 the alarm. So right now it's set to 5:30 and it's 24 hours, so it's been 5:30 a.m. So these are the functions available in this watch, and the dial is also pretty attractive. As you can see, Casio water resist illuminator written on the dial. It's a golden and black combination dial, and this is a complete length. It's a pretty popular model, decent watch, especially for ladies. Slim dial and full golden. So viewers, we will check the weight of this watch in gram, and also we will check the diameter of the dial. So viewers, let's check the weight of this watch in gram first. So viewers, it's pretty lightweight. The weight is 35.4. 35.4 gram is the total weight of this watch in gram. So it's a pretty lightweight watch, although it's in stainless steel, but it's pretty lightweight. Let's check the diameter of the dial from this part to this part. So let's check the diameter in millimeter. So the area that falls on your wrist is around 32.3 mm. 32.3 mm, the area that falls on your wrist. And also the thickness of the dial is 8.9 mm. So viewers, you can order this watch online in Pakistan from our online watch store, watchcenter.pk. Cash on delivery is available, and you will receive your watch in 2 to 3 days. And viewers, you can also send us a message on our WhatsApp number 031022333484 to inquire about this watch or any other Casio watch. And for international customers, we have given link in the description. Please click on the link to order this watch online. And viewers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notification of the video reviews of Casio watches and other branded watches. And if you like the video, please share. Thank you for watching.